Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and allowing me to continue to be your daily advocate. If you're new here or you're not subscribed for any reason, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all of you who have been watching and following me for so long. It truly means a lot, and I'm glad that I can be this person.
Several delays have been requested by the Securities and Exchange Commission in the SEC versus Ripple case, with the majority of them being requested alone by the SEC. A number of documents, including those pertaining to William Hinman's 2018 speech on Ether as former Director of Corporate Finance of the Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as others pertaining to the SEC's opinions on the nature of digital assets, such as XRP, ETH, and Bitcoin, have emerged as the central point of contention. In a back and forth that has been going on since early in 2021, the defendants have been granted their motion to compel the production of such documents, while the SEC has refused to comply, claiming that they are protected by the deliberative process privilege and therefore are not required to comply, DPP. When Judge Sarah Net Byrne issued her ruling, she instructed a team of investigators to conduct an in-camera investigation to establish what information may be considered confidential and what information could be made available to the public. The court accepted as fact the infamous 2018 declaration about the nature of Ether made by former the SEC Director of Corporate Finance William Hinman, which was believed to be his personal opinion by the SEC at the time. That order was made as a result of which Ripple was forced to provide up the emails and drafts that were pertinent to his speech, causing the SEC to file a request for reconsideration, which, according to attorney Jeremy Hogan, generally takes 2 weeks to prepare. It also contends that the speech functioned as an essential link in the agency's deliberative process, which is included in its request for a 5-week extension to file its motion with the court. According to the SEC, these new papers demonstrate that the speech was not merely peripheral to actual policy formulation, but rather was an important link in the SEC deliberative process with respect to Ether and other digital assets, and that the speech was not merely peripheral to actual policy formulation. By the way, did you know about this move from the SEC? Let us know in the comment section down below. If the SEC is compelled to produce something, Jeremy Hogan determined that it will be Hinman's personal view in the form of drafts and emails, or the SEC official position as a result of Hinman's thought process, in any case. I had to read that a couple of times because the SEC has been so adamant that the Hinman speech was just his personal opinion, and now, are they arguing that's not the case, or that the SEC had or has an official position on Ether that the Hinman speech contributed to? Hogan asked. If that's the case, someone should tell Chairman Gensler, because I don't think he has seen that yet. And if that exists, surely that's an official position and it's discoverable by Ripple, so maybe Ripple needs to see a copy of that decision about Ether. Just saying. In terms of the delays, it's probable that the recently mandated extension is only the beginning of a longer period of time. If Judge Net Byrne sticks with her original order that Hinman's speech emails have to be turned over, the SEC then can appeal the decision to the main judge, Judge Torres, and that will take at least another month for that process to take place, and that takes us into March or April before this issue is concluded with Judge Torres, Hogan explained. And even though all other discovery might be concluded by the end of February, how can Ripple draft and finalize a motion for final judgment when it doesn't have all the evidence yet? Following that, a Florida lawyer provided a study of the SEC's systematic failure to produce the records as a tactic. In his opinion, it was a little unusual that the SEC declined to deliver on both of its previous requests. He, however, believes that this final move for reconsideration is out of the ordinary. So, what is the motivation behind the SEC stalling strategy? As the defendants are the only ones who have to cope with an endless lawsuit, it can either be a pure pressure play on Ripple or a preventative measure to avoid something very awful against the SEC. Among the 66 documents, there could be something really bad that can destroy the SEC case, Hogan suspects. This could be utilized to aid in legal maneuvering in the future. Comment, XRP Army, if you believe the SEC won't be successful with this. It appears as though all of this had an adverse effect on the price of XRP, which was disappointing. Ripple's XRP is continuing its downward trend as a result of the current bear market in the cryptocurrency market, even as investors become increasingly anxious about the timing for the SEC action. At the time of this writing, the price of XRP USD is roughly $0.584 per unit of the digital currency. Although there has been a sustained negative feeling against the XRP coin, it remains among the top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies in terms of total market value. In contrast to the majority of its peers, the SEC versus Ripple litigation has caused its recent poor price action to be triggered not only by general market sentiment, but also by doubts about its future outlook that have arisen as a result of the case, according to the company. Following the announcement of a $200 million share repurchase and confirmation of plans to go public when the matter was resolved, several investors expressed relief. This indicates a high level of confidence in the company's future prospects as a result of the litigation, which helps to increase investor confidence in the XRP cryptocurrency as a result of the case. Following a strong performance during the previous year, Ripple aims to diversify its commercial interests in the coming months, according to the company. As part of its efforts to improve the capabilities of its blockchain, the XRP ledger, XRPL, Ripple is currently in discussions with on-demand liquidity, ODL, partners to further expand the network's capabilities. Further advancements in this area include the establishment of a partnership between the UAE-based money transfer firm Al Fardan Exchange and Ripple in order to harness the RippleNet in order to enable faster and more efficient cross-border payments. In the Middle East, Ripple has built a number of collaborations to enable remittances, the most recent of which is the latest in a long line of such relationships. Do you agree that XRP could start a reversal soon? If yes, then make sure to like this video. Following the completion of the cross-chain bridge, there is a possibility that interest in XRP will surge. Only a few days ago, Allbridge announced that their blockchain technology would be supported. XRP transfers will be accepted by Solana and Terra, two more prominent blockchain ecosystems, in addition to Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain. In the earlier part of the session, Ripple's cryptocurrency, XRP, slipped below the key 60 cents mark. A strong bearish bias is evident in the moving averages as well as the important technical indicators MACD and momentum on the XRP USDH4 price chart, to name a few findings of the technical analysis. It has managed to maintain its position above the immediate support level of $0.547 despite the fact that the cryptocurrency's price is trading below its pivot point, which is $0.603. Keep an eye on the support level because an increase in selling pressure might cause it to be tested in the near future, so we should be cautious in our approach. What do you think about Ripple, chances against the SEC? And will XRP go down even further? Let us know in the comment section. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have got 2 videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out.
So enjoy your day, everybody. I'm always here for you. Leave any comments or questions below and be sure to subscribe. But thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you. Enjoy your day, and I always have your back. So thanks so much, everybody.